These are red blood cells. So if there is a low water potential outside of the cell, so what is going to happen? Through osmosis, the water in the red blood cells is going to travel out to the surrounding. Now, because of this, the cells are going to go into a hypertonic state. They are going to shrivel up, and this is how they are going to look. Then we have the isotonic state. So, isotonic state is basically where the water potential outside and inside the cell is the same. Then we have the hypotonic situation. So, this situation happens when there is little water concentration inside the cell and more water concentration outside the cell. So, what is going to happen? Water is going to move inside the red blood cell, and then after a while, the red blood cells are going to swell up and they are going to burst. So, these are the states in plant cells. So, this is a plasmolysed state. Now, this is the same as hypertonic. So, what happens is that there is low water potential, water concentration outside. So, the water is moving outside the cell. Now, this is a flaccid situation, isotonic situation, where the water concentration outside and inside of the cell is the same. Then we have the turgid situation. Now, this is where the water concentration outside is more than the inside of the cell. So, water is going to move inside, and this is the turgid state. But the plant cell is not going to burst because of the cell wall.